Oh, we have to stay out of here.
Sure. Doesn't have the gravity that we just got set in there. Careful, doesn't blade happen to
Yeah. No, we're not just strangers wandering in off the street. Look at that. Yeah.
Ready? Look at this tray ceiling. Wow, that's neat.
Or visit BainLaserClinics.com for free consultation.
I'm Dr. Roger Palmer. Imagine your image.
What are you doing with me, Kevin?
Well, I ran out of money.
Yeah. Sure.
Walking back into the rec room.
John, pay attention to yourself.
I am. I am.
You can fall backwards, you know.
Okay, have we seen enough?
Uh-huh.